Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and today's video we'll talk about the affiliate program of Barnes&Noble. So let me take you to the website, which is barnesandnoble.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Barnes&Noble's website is a top online destination for books, ebooks, magazines, toys, games, and learning resources. It offers easy access to bestsellers, new releases, and a Nook digital library for readers who prefer ebooks. With convenient shopping, exclusive deals, and a wide variety of genres, Barnes& Noble makes it simple for books lover to discover and enjoy their favorite book. So what you're waiting for, if you want to get any of the book or any of the product from Barnes& Noble, you can come to the website, explore all these amazing books and products, and if you prefer anything for yourself or for your family, go ahead and buy it. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Barnes& Noble. Possible? Why not? Simply join their affiliate program, start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, as usual, you will receive commission. So affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program of Barnes& Noble? As such, I didn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of your country, as an affiliate, you can apply to be a part of their affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote Barnes& Noble to receive commission? No restriction there as well. So regardless of your consumer's country, so long as they can access Barnes& Noble from a specific country, you can promote them to the country's consumer, and when you bring sales to them from those consumers, you will receive commission. So let's talk more about their affiliate program, such as how to join their affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the website called flaxoffers.com. Now, what is Flax Offers and what does that have to do with Barnes& Noble? Flax Offers is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? The work is a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you have to join the respective affiliate marketing network as an affiliate. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Barnes& Noble, we must join Flex Offers as an affiliate. Now, Flex Offers call affiliates as publishers and brands as advertisers, so don't get confused. How do you create an account with Flex Offers rather than a publisher account? For that, you can simply click on Get Started, which will take you to this page. Over here under Publisher and Affiliate, you can click on Sign Up and complete the registration process. Now I understand that many nuances involved when you're creating an account with any of the affiliate marketing network out there, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Flex Offers affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free affiliate or rather the publisher account with Flex Offers. Once you have an account with them, you can come to the website once again, this time hover over login and click on publisher login, enter your credential, and then it will take you to something called publisher dashboard. Now this is a place where you will be able to find the affiliate program of different brands as well, but the focus of this video is simply Barnes& Noble affiliate program. So how do you find it? For that, you can look at the left hand side menu bar, hover over advertiser, click on advertiser search, it will take you to this page. Over here, you can scroll down till you get to the advertiser search section, and within advertiser program name, you can start typing Barnes& Noble, select the name, and then click on search. In doing so, will show the tile of Barnes& Noble, so you can click on the tile to see all this information. And as you can see the commission rate here, the pay ranges from 3.2% to 6.4% depending on the item purchase. So if you click here, view program terms, you will see the bifurcation of this commission rate. So 6.4% for a Nook Lenovo tablet, and for all the other sales is 4%, and for physical product sales, Nook and digital product sales, you get 3.2%. And to have more information about these products, you can click on these drop downs for better understanding. So this is how much you could earn if you bring sales to Barnes& Noble. So over here, you can apply it to the affiliate program of Barnes& Noble. But before you do apply, you might see a button here with the lock icon, and you might have to click on the button to ensure you have been approved for the premium program. Now, Flex offers have some brands affiliate program marked as premium programs, and in order for you to apply to these brands, you must get an exclusive approval from Flex offers. So in case if you see a question mark in here with a button to apply for the premium program, you can click on it, subscribe, follow the prompts, and get yourself approval for the premium program. Once you have the approval, then you will see something like this. So in my case, I'm seeing an option to tick mark, and then I can click on apply. So once you see that, you can click on apply. You may also see some of your online presence might not be eligible for the Barnes& and Noble affiliate program. As you can see, I got a website, but it's ineligible. So in that case, unfortunately, you can't do anything. But if you have been eligible for the affiliate program, you can simply click on your online presence and then click on apply. It will open up this overlay window. Over here, you can scroll down and ensure you click on program terms to read the terms and condition carefully to ensure you are abiding the policies of Barnes& and Noble. So once you've read it all, you can simply click on yes, I agree to the terms and condition above, and click on apply to program. When you do that, your application to the affiliate program team of Barnes& and Noble will go. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on their review, they could approve your application. Once you have been approved, you'll be notified via an email. And after getting the confirmation via email, you can come to your publisher dashboard once again. This time, hover over advertisers and go to advertiser search, and instead of searching Barnes& and Noble, you could do that, but you could also click on application status and select approved from here and then search. What this will do, it will show you all your approved brands, including Barnes& and Noble, assuming you have been approved by them. But since I just applied to the affiliate program, it could take between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. So I would have to wait for a few days before getting the approval. In your case as well, you might want to wait till that time. So let's say you have been approved. Next what? Next, you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link. So how do you get the tracking link? For that, you can look at the left-hand side menu bar once again. This time, click on links and go to deep link generator. It will take you to this page. Over here within advertiser search, you can search for Barnes& and Noble, but since we are still waiting for them to review and approve, just for an example, I'm going to go with AliExpress. Assuming you have been approved by Barnes& and Noble, you must select Barnes& and Noble from here. And then you can select your traffic source from here. And within landing page URL, you can take the URL from Barnes& and Noble website. Let's say I want to create a tracking link to this URL. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come here. I'm going to paste the URL in here, and then I can click on generate. What this will do, it will create the tracking link for me, which I can then take and I can share with my audience, with my traffic. In our case, it did not work because I selected AliExpress and then I was trying to create a tracking link for Barnes& and Noble. But in your case, if you have been approved by Barnes& and Noble, you can select Barnes& and Noble from here and try creating a tracking link. It should work. Let's say you don't want to create your own tracking link, but rather you want to use the existing link. So how do you get it? For that, look at the left-hand side menu bar once again, and this time go to link search. Once here within traffic source, you can select the traffic source. I'm going to go with my YouTube channel, and then you can search for the advertiser. Again, you can search for Barnes& and Noble, but just for the demo purpose, I'm going to go with audiobooks. So let's assume I've selected Barnes& and Noble here and then click on search. You would be able to see different kind of links. You can search by text links, banners, or widget. But let's say you like this banner and assume this banner is of Barnes& and Noble. You can simply click on view link. You will have three options here. You will have the link. If you want, you can shorten this up as well. Simply click on make this a short link. It will shorten this link and then you can copy and share it with your audience or your traffic. You can also click here on link and go with HTML option. This is the HTML link code that you can take and you can integrate from the backend of your website in case if you want to integrate the links on your website or maybe blog. Then you got third option, that is image. You can take the image URL and maybe it could help you with the integration. So you can use any of these three options and copy the URL and integrate it accordingly. Like this, you can look for any content type and see which banner or any other link type that you like and take the link. And in case if you're interested in product links, you can again look at links and this time go to product search. And like how we were searching for banner links and other kind of link, you can choose your traffic source and enter all the other details. And you would be able to find the product links available for Barnes& and Noble, which you can then take and promote. So this is how you can either create your tracking link or you can use the existing ones. The next question arises, where can you promote Barnes& and Noble? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, So long as you have been approved by Barnes& and Noble, you might want to promote them on your homepage, your category page, event page, wherever you feel like is more suited for your audience, for you, for your website, you can go ahead and do that. Second is blog. Now, blog could be great here because you could write different blog posts about different products available on Barnes& and Noble. Let's say you like an ebook. Maybe write a blog post about the ebook, and somewhere within the blog post integrate the tracking link for that book. So this way, when people would read, if they like the book, they'll click on the link, and if they buy it, you'll get the commission. So similar to this, you can write blog posts about thousands and thousands of products if you like. Third way is social media. I feel like social media could be great here because you could create different sort of content and people can go through with those content. For example, you could create videos, reels, stories. Let's say you like an ebook, or maybe there's a book out there which you feel like people would like. Maybe create a quick video or reel on it and then create your tracking link, put your tracking link either in the description or the comment. This way, when people would go through with those content, if they like the product, in our case the book, they'll click on the link, they buy it, you get the commission. Fourth way is shopping website. Now, let's say as an affiliate, you got a shopping website, maybe create a standalone section for ebooks. This way, when people would come to that section for the ebook on your website, they would be able to see different ebooks listed on that section, which should basically be a Barnes& and Noble, and you have to ensure you integrate your tracking links properly with those ebooks. So this way, when they'll click on any of those books and if they end up buying it, you end up getting commission. Alright, so these are some of the ways you can promote Barnes& and Noble. The next question arises, where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to your publisher dashboard once again and look at the menu bar, and this time click on reports and go to performance. Over here, you can select your traffic source, you can select performance by, trend, range, start and end date, and generate the report. It will show you the summary as well as your clicks, orders, sell amount, commission, and all the other details. And if you want to see the transaction level details, instead of selecting performance, you can click on transaction details. Again, fill up the details from the report and you would be able to see the transaction details available here. And if you click on account balance, over here you would be able to see the accumulated commission. Now let's say you want to receive this commission from Flex Offers. How do you receive it? In that case, you have to look at the top right hand side, and over here just beside your ID, you can click on the drop down and this time click on payment settings. It will take you to this page. You can complete the two-factor authentication using the Google Authenticator app you might have. And after successfully authenticating through 2FA, you can update your address in here. In the second step, you can choose your payment method. And in payment method, you will have an option to choose either local bank transfer, wire transfer, check, or PayPal. Depending on what you will select, you have to give the information accordingly. Once you've selected that, simply click on next. And then it will take you to the third step, that is text form selection. So you can complete that step as well, and then complete all the prompts to ensure you have completed this step 4 as well. So in order to successfully update your payment details, ensure you have completed the first, second, third, and fourth steps all together. So this is how you can update your payment settings and you can start receiving commission from Flex Offers for all the accumulated commission that you must have from Barnes& and Noble. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program with Barnes& and Noble. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start bringing sales to them, you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Barnes& and Noble. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.